2 nat 20s rolled. But Silverdale, you have Safeway. They just installed a Pokemon box, where you walk in, select what you want, pay, and it pops it out like a vending machine. There's one in Port Orchard at Fred Meyer and one in East Bremerton at Fred Meyer, but now they just put one at the Safeway in Silverdale. But they were completely sold out of all of the Surging Sparks and most of the Stellar Crown stuff, well, half of it, and all of the Prismatic, obviously. So I decided I would grab the Twilight Masquerade. And see what shenanigans I can get. Play guide. Card list. So. Two, 4, 6, 8, 9. EX dice. And poison fire. And dividers, foil, energy, teal mask, ogre pawn, card sleeves, cut these open and be right back. Alright, let's get through these. We have Dreepy, Freebass, Girafarig, Vulpix, Handheld Fan, Diplin, Rillaboom, Okidogi, Reverse Hollow. I got the Eevee. I got the Chaser in the first fucking one. Oh, that's awesome. Frostless. And Fire. Sandy Gas. I can't believe I got Feebas, Vulpix, Eevee, Diplin. What are they doing out there? Jamming Tower. Glaceon. Setting that one aside for the EVs. I'm just going to set all my EVs up here. Diplin, Reverse Hollow. Flabebe, Reverse Hollow. Sinistra, Hollow. And Grass. We have Froakie, another Eevee, Phantump, Slugma, Lana's Aid, Conkeldurr, Reveroom, Tadbulb, Reverse Hollow, Crawdaunt, Reverse Hollow, Tinglu, Hollow, and Darkness Energy. Girafarig, Froakie, Phantump, Slugma, Sandslash, Iron Bundle, Lucian, Enhanced Hammer. Did I have items? Nope, I've got Tool, Stadium, Support, and now Item. Alright. Chimchar, Reverse Hollow, and Magcargo EX. Set the EX over there. And Energy. Fighting Energy. First rule about Fight Club. Alright, Swirlix, Tadbulb, Applin, Flabebe, Ogre's Mask, Sunflora, Enhanced Hammer, Swanna, Reverse Hollow, Hisuian Arcanine, Reverse Hollow, and Walking Wake Hollow and Fire. We have Tadbulb, Applin, Swirlix, Litwick, Darmanitan, Carmine, Swanna, Carmine Reverse Hollow, Chimicho Reverse Hollow, and Munkidori Hollow and Lightning Energy. Litwick, Puccina Darkness, Palisand, Timber, Glalie, Kilowattrel, Brute Bonnet Darkness, Tangrowth Reverse Hollow, Chandelure Reverse Hollow, Hisuian Arcanine Hollow, and Water Energy. Come on. Did I go with that card? There. Alright. Puccina, Flabebe, Timber, Aeron, Bellibolt, Snorlax, Lana's Aid Supporter, Luxio Reverse Hollow, Girafarig Reverse Hollow, Pheasantipity Hollow and Darkness. And last but not least of this bundle, ETB I should say, we get Spinarak, Hisuian Growlithe, Poliwag, Apom, Community Center, Iron Bundle, Probopass, Thwacky Reverse Hollow, Ninetales Reverse Hollow, Infernape Hollow, and Grass type. But I can't believe I scored that on the first booster out of the ETB. That is awesome. And then the promo card with the bundle is Teal Mask Ogre Pawn. So, till next time, have a good one.